Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to remove copyright claim from your video. For removing copyright claim, double click on that video, scroll down. You're seeing that copyright, see details. Here the content ID claim on your video doesn't affect on your channel. This is not a copyright strike, it will not affect it, but you can't be able to monetize your video. So select action. Three step: you can mute it, you can dispute it, mute only claim, musical or video claim, segments or resolve claim, or you can give a flag to the YouTube. I'm going to replace song, pick audio from audio library, then continue. Or you can add audio from YouTube audio library. You can choose as you want. Which is a YouTube audio library song. It will be better to copy it than paste. Then enter. After that, add this song. I'm going to add another song on that blank space, so I am selecting another. Then similarly I am copying it name and paste here, then again add. After adding that audio, I am going to move it. After that save, then save again. Now we're seeing that video editing is in progress. You will see none within few minutes. You can check it from the content also. Going back, then checking here. You're seeing that checks are running on my video. It will remove, then it will go to none. So that's all. Thanks for watching.